been driving this truck for about like a couple months now, probably like about 2.5 months right now, and it's been doing good so far with the motor and everything. And as you know, I put a 5.3 liter up in there. I got a 2-wheel drive 4L60E. I had to take the original 4L60E out that I had behind it, the original 95 4L60E out. Simple fact is, I'm finna show y'all what I done did to it. Where is it? It's right here. I mean, I still got it in the back of the truck. I've been sitting back up. But as you can see, this is what happened. I was putting in a rear main seal on this motor. I had to drop the transmission down, put a rear main seal in, and as I was putting it back up, I was not paying attention. I ended up cracking the ear up on that transmission. So I wish it was unfortunate, but hey, it happens to the best of us. I ain't tripping. So we take L sometimes. So now I got a newer model for L60E behind it. Been doing fine, driving smoothly. Still got the wires hanging out. Some fact is, I'm still waiting to drop my dashboard. It's getting that time now. It's about spring. It's getting about spring right about now. The weather kind of nice. So I'm gonna drop the dashboard, put a new dashboard in there, and get the new AC parts. Every new part for the AC, get my AC bracket. I'm actually gonna buy it this time and get all the wires situated. Then I ain't gonna mess with the wires now because there's a lot of wires on there that look the same, and I want to be sure delete the right wires. But so far, like I said, it's been doing good. It's been running good. Got an electric fan on there. Everything on here is still stock. The lights work. I'm changing out the seats in the interior. I want to change these out. I'm not a huge fan of these, but it works for the time being. But yeah, that's like a quick little sum up of what's going on. I'll probably make a video later on what's going on. Yes, I still got the Turbo Mercury over there. You know, we ain't gonna talk about that right now. She taking a little nap, a little temporary nap, little beauty nap. But what we got going on today? We're working on this master cylinder right here. As you know, on the 88s OBS Chevys, the 88, not the 88s, from the 88s to the 98s OBS Chevy, I have a 95 k1500. And this is the 2007 master cylinder right here. Matter of fact, I'm finna get y'all this part number for it. I actually bought mine at O'Reilly's because they had it in stock. Right here, that's that part number for it. Screenshot it, save it. But basically what I'm doing, I'm converting it. Because you know, on the 88 Chevys, they had that little spongy brake pedal feel. And I did a lot of research. A lot of people been doing this conversion right here where they change it out. So I went and bought the adapter for it from Advanced Auto. That's the part number for the adapter. Basically, it's gonna screw in right there for the fittings, because this original fitting won't screw in that. So you're gonna need this adapter for it to fit that hose. But everything bolts right up to it. You're gonna need a master cylinder bleed kit for it. But yeah, I'm just sick of that spongy brake feeling. I wanna be something more sturdy, because here's the original piece right here. This is the original master cylinder. As you can see, I just threw it over here. That's how confident I am that this is gonna work. So I'm finna get ready and get started on this, bleeding the master cylinder, and you know, do my Rich Miles due diligence. All right, so I just bled my master cylinder with the with the master cylinder brake bleed kit from you can purchase from O'Reilly's. The part number for that, oh Lord, the part number for that is 14151. And screenshot that, you know, if y'all want to do the same thing to your OBS Chevy. But basically, all you're gonna do, take your 2 rubber hoses, put them in the brake fluid, make sure it's filled up to the max, to the max line. Stuff your hoses in there, make sure that they're inside the fluid, so when you press the brakes, it won't suck back in air. And you're gonna go in there, you're gonna press your brakes slowly. Do it however many times you want until you feel comfortable. And I probably just cycled it for like 5 minutes. Even though I ain't probably had to do it for that long, but I want to be sure that everything is smooth. So now what I'm finna get ready and do is pull these lines back out. Pull this fitting right here. As you can see, I got this fitting up in there. and I'm gonna get these bend these lines to where they'll fit inside here, and I gotta move quick with it. But be sure to put your top back on. I thought these came with like little rubber covers, but they didn't. Yeah, they did, I think. Hold on. No, they didn't. I thought they did. But be sure to put your cap back on when you take these bottom lines out. You don't want to take no chances of getting no type of air in the system. See, I took these lines out, but it still got plenty of fluid up in there. You see how the air is not going back down in the lines? But I'm finna move quick with it, so I'm finna have to set y'all down. All right, so with that fitting on there, and the original lines adapted to it, this is the only one you're gonna need the fitting for the one that's in the front. The back one is gonna thread in like it's supposed to. I just made sure nothing has a leak. All my lines are tightened up. I wipe down my area, make sure that I don't see any leaks. Now I'm finna go on the inside and make sure everything's copacetic. I still gotta bleed the brakes anyway. I'm gonna do that anyway, just in case. So let me get up in here and punch them right quick. Oh, they extra tight. Like, I'm barely touching the brake pedal. Almost as if it's like a newer car, but I gotta wait till I start it up to truly see. But right now, they... Motherfucker.
Yeah, I woke up feeling like a boss. Yeah, got me some more, white it out. Took a load and took some more, now I'm a boss. Yeah. I woke up feeling like a boss. Yeah, I might just get a nigga my dog. Yeah, might put some paper on your boss. It costs to be a boss. I woke up feeling like a boss. Yeah.